Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I hope you had a really great weekend. Science teachers met again yesterday to continue planning for the rest of the year. So let's get going. Also, I hope you had a good weekend. I know the weather wasn't the greatest, but just think the whole April showers bring May flowers. So while it might be rainy or was rainy, I don't know, maybe that'll help nature a little bit, get a good jump start on spring. So for today, we are actually going to be starting a new class kick. It is called Scale of the Universe and Stars. So we're going to be talking a little bit about just how much space things take up in space and stars. A couple of people and students were asking about that last week. So today's also National Superhero Day. I know there is the Marvel versus DC and who is better. So just, I don't know, maybe watch a movie, check out a clip, do something to celebrate. Think of your favorite superhero, stuff like that. All right, so the agenda for today, like I mentioned before, you do have a new Class Kick workbook. You are going to be working on pages 2 and 3, and just making sure that you don't have any incomplete work on Infinite Campus. So let's see what those pages look like, and I'm going to navigate through a little bit today too. All right, so on page 2, you're going to see that there is a text for you. There is a play feature for you to listen to me read it to you if you do not want to read it yourself. After you read that, you're going to be watching a clip from Bill Nye. That link is directly in your class kick. From there, you can actually pause the video. He's going to give you the answers to the questions that's on the data table and chart below. So you're going to have to be figuring out the astronomical units versus the comparison that Bill Nye makes, and you're going to be filling in the numbers on that chart. From there, you're going to be moving on to page 3. You're going to be using the previous page, the real AU column, and you're going to be drawing a horizontal line. So let me show you kind of how to toggle that really quick. So if you go to Class Kick, like you'll see on my screen, you see all these different planets here. You're going to take your data from page 2. So it says that Earth is 1 AU away from the sun. So you'll notice that on the image, there's a line right where 1 is at, and then Earth. And then I labeled it 1 AU. So once you get your numbers from the previous page, you're going to be drawing a horizontal line. And then you can click and drag the planets so that way they fit. Make sure the planets are in order. Make sure to label them with the lines. You can change the length of the lines if you need to for space. All right. So that's going to basically be the bulk of your work will be on page 3. You're going to have to figure out how to scale that appropriately. All right, the quote for today is tough times never last, but tough people do. I know that there has been an extension on the stay-at-home order, and I know that the end of the year is going to look a little bit different than you thought, but know that we are trying our hardest to make the best of every moment. That's something you should always try to do. If any of you have any suggestions on things or ways you'd like to celebrate or have ideas of other things that we can do at Adams, please email me and let me know. Email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Know that I'm always here for you and have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.